Hi, good morning. Shall we eat for breakfast? This is what I cooked for this morning, guys. So shall we eat? This is a banana inside of wrapping by a lumpia wrapper. So yeah, there's banana inside the ripe banana. So we're dipping on the sugar, white sugar, guys. So let's try. Let's try how it tastes. Sarap, 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 sarap. Mmm, good. I love it. Mmm. With coffee. Oh. Mmm. Mmm. Perfect combination, guys. Oh, coffee with this one. The which is just good. Good, good. Perfect. Yes, also the purchase. Ah, with the cheese topping there. Cooked by me. Yummy. I love it. My God. This is good for breakfast, guys. With coffee, good. No, this is fluffy. Not so hard. Not hard. It's soft. Very soft. Mm, yummy. And then my last one is my egg. Mm, so yummy. And then the egg. Egg with salt. I put salt in here. So yummy. You know what kind of sweet to salt combination? So pretty good. The little bit crunchy inside of the egg. Perfect. I use like a knife. Oh, I wish my boyfriend's here so we can eat together. But soon someday. Next time. Mm. Next time I'll make for him turon and put it just like a similar like a muffin. Yeah. Sorry. Good, good, good. Salty and sweet with coffee, with little bit bitter coffee. Oh, it's a perfect breakfast though. Black coffee, guys. Look at the egg, guys. Perfect. So see ya.